Welcome to the Word Conscious Classroom, where we are consciously and deliberately building our students' vocabulary knowledge and word consciousness. In today's lesson, we will focus on prefixes, Latin roots, and suffixes. As you can recall, a prefix is placed at the beginning of a word. The root is in the middle, and the suffix is at the end of a word. Today, we will practice making words. We will use prefixes, Latin roots, and suffixes. To help us identify each word part, we will assign a color to the prefixes, Latin roots, and suffixes. When we encounter Greek roots, we will assign it a color, as well as common Anglo-Saxon words. Green for Greek roots, amber for Anglo-Saxon, lilac for Latin roots, sapphire blue for suffixes, and pink for prefixes. Okay, everyone should have all of their materials. We are ready to make words now. Con, with or together. Ex, out, away, or from. In, into, and also not. Re, back, again. Tract, to draw or pull, drag, or draw out. Thence, conquer. Able to be. An action or process, state, quality, or act. Now, let's take our word parts and build words. Let's first arrange our word parts. Put all of your pink prefixes together, your Latin root, lilac, and your sapphire blue suffixes together. Let's first start with our Latin root. Tract, to draw or pull, drag, or draw out. Now let's add a prefix. Con, with or together. And when we put it together, we get contract, to draw together. When you're ready to figure out what a word means, start with the end of the word and then read it backwards. Now let's add re. Re means back or again. So we get retract. Retract, to draw or pull back. Now let's add prefix ex. Ex means out, away, or from. So when you extract, you pull or draw out from. Let's change our Latin root now. Let's work with thence. Thence means conquer. Let's add the prefix con, with or together. Now we have convince. Convince. When you convince, you conquer with or together. You can conquer with a persuasive argument. Convince. Now let's add some suffixes to our words. Able to be. Now our word says convincible. When something is convincible, it is able to be conquered or made to be agreed with. Now let's remove the prefix con and replace it with another prefix. In, into, or not. Now we have invincible. Invincible means able to be conquered, not impossible to overcome, or unbeatable. Now let's make some new words with tract. Tract means to draw or pull, drag, or draw out. When we add re to tract, we get retract, to draw or pull back. When you add the suffix able, you get retractable, retractable, able to be drawn or pulled back, retractable. Now let's replace able with another suffix, un. So now we have retraction, and that is an action or a process of pulling back. Retraction, the process of pulling back. For more practice, be sure to visit thewordconsciousclassroom.com. I hope that you enjoyed today's lesson. Come back and join us again.